explain what we need to use and why. Very important information.
After this, I said we will use this big guy.
And then basically straight down to a pulley, a boat mount. Pulley will be right there. Let's get you guys camp back. Looking up here, trying to figure out what this guy is gonna do next. Nobody knows. After I lift something off camera for the first time. And then if you don't see the beam in any other videos, you can ask how it went. Outside to outside, 12 and 8 3/4. Come with me. Come with me if you want to live. My kid stabbed holes in my beautiful work chairs. Remember, this is our 12. Take my tape measure. See how true our 12 is. Holy cow, it's not even close. We use that as our length, and we'll take the 8 3/4. I don't want to seem too professional here. I thought I picked up something that might help me here. Nothing fancy. Anyone else not know what they're doing? Where's my glasses, people? I won't put my back to you, but I'm gonna need to. So, plus me. I mean, not plus me. Trust me. Plus me. Negative me too. You don't want to watch this anyway. This is some bad stuff right here. Take the line. That is not a straight cut. That is definitely not a straight cut if I ever seen one. I didn't leave any line on the board or the piece I needed. But you can clearly tell that it ain't straight cut. I mean, you've seen my eyes. If we just glue it back together, I can still use it, right? Now, how's that gonna go and happen? Man, you can't make this stuff up. You can't make this stuff up. Watch the next one do it too. I'm gonna try this again. See if we can't get our wood to fall in half again. Take the line. That is not a straight cut. Can't believe that piece of wood fell in half like that. I gave him a washer just in case. So when it puts pressure on the wood, and of course you got another washer on the top. It's gonna be rough. I've only got a 1/2 inch bit. Ow! No, I used 2 pieces of wood. Stand by. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. Where is my monkey wrench? You? Come with me. Monkey wrench? Darts? Darts don't help. Hello, monkey wrench. Oh, let's check over here. Let's check over here. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Has this, like, I don't even know. to say. Like, there's nothing, and what is here isn't organized. I mean, how does this guy function? I need... Let's see. What is this guy up to? What is this guy doing? Okay, that ain't too bad. We'll at least try and use these correctly. I don't think that's gonna come loose. Want to see me try and use a hammer? Me too. See how bad I can hurt myself. Christmas decorations. That's not good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to hammer those in like I wanted. Let's get our traditional screws like we plan on doing. Told you it wasn't gonna work out using a hammer. I thought that would all be a little bit stouter. I don't know why I thought that. You don't see my drill? Oh, it's got this huge bit in it. Who did that? Oh! Alright. Try number 12. And my kid's coming out to try and get involved. So I got that going for me. Okay, Bubba, I set up 2 seats for you right there, down on the floor. Near the back of the pickup. Do you see them? Those got some good depth there. Hey, you just gotta hold still, cutie patootie. Use a smaller one if you have to. Ah. Will the ladder I'm standing on? Yeah. You always be prepared to fall on a ladder. Wait, I don't know if that's how it goes. Your daddy is afraid of heights.
You aren't afraid of heights?
I am afraid of heights.
Why are you so high?
Then why am I so high? That is a good question. I have to be, Bubba. I assure you, as soon as I get the opportunity to secure safe ground, I will. Let's get back to our hammer now. Just watch and laugh, okay? Let's see if I can break. Step back. You're fine. You okay? Look at me, turn around, look at me. You completely okay? You just a little scared? Okay. Now Daddy gets to clean this up. I knew that bulb was gonna fall, and now I get to clean it up. But for now, we gotta run some screws up in there. 6 screws is gonna be a minimum.
Then I'm gonna fix on my bike.
All right, fix on your bike, buddy.
It has flat tires.
It has flat tires. We're going to work right here now for a little bit. No. What I mean by we is I've set up this camera, which is the people, which is the audience. And I feel like I want my crank right around in here.
You probably should put your crank right on up there.
Up there? Well.
Then you can take the wipers out. I think that one broke. So it's not. Dad, I think we should not have that wiper broke. But we don't want to break that one.
I tell you, we don't want to break anything else we don't have to, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, then we probably got the wrong guy in charge of watching out for that.
Yeah.
So you might need to take over because Daddy, well, he just breaks things. That's what he does.
So I'll have to take over.
In a good way. So we touch. I'm gonna have to mount a piece of wood. Okay, that guy?
Yeah.
Why don't you tell the people a story? Stand back up there on that.
No.
Where you were. And explain what we need to use and why. Very important information.
After this, I said we'll use this big guy.
After this, you said what?
We'll use this big guy right here. Dad,
Okay.
I'm talking about these guys.
All those guys?
What are these guys for, Dad? Are they icky?
No, they're just different colored, aren't they?
Yeah. You have one. Where's your other silver one, Dad?
Do you like silver better or do you like the other color better?
I like the other. What's this? What are these called again?
They're just screws.
These colors on them.
Oh, one's silver and then one looks like a brownish color.
Dad, I wonder what we need to throw away. Maybe we don't need to use any of those guys. Maybe we need to use the measure.
The measure.
I'm gonna use this.
You're gonna go use that over by the measure.
Nope, right here. AB says, like when I push it back in, it loops in. I like this one. I like green and black. Both of my favorite colors. And blue, and green, and black.
Like Ranger Black. Let's get to talking back with this camera.
Yeah.
Remember my wood earlier that split? For no good real reason. Mostly because the operator is split.
Dad,
Well,
after this,
let's go ahead and take a look here. And you'll see it's just about what we need.
we might need a lot of silver. That's what I'm saying. If I would climb up that ladder,
Our clearances are good. I have to lag through here. Just drill this in.
Dad, what's that thing for up there? Up on the roof, Dad. What's that thing for up there?
It's a pulley, buddy.
And it sucks in roly-polies?
Sucks in roly-polies.
Yeah.
You tell us these stories about these roly-polies. Not everybody knows the stories of the roly-polies.
Dad, can I help you?
Not yet, buddy.
Am I going to help you with the pulley system?
Well, you're definitely supporting me by watching.
What time are we going to build the pulley system?
When Daddy's done with this. What are you thinking about, buddy?
I'm thinking about building a pulley system.
You're gonna build a pulley system?
Yeah.
I bet you it's gonna be better than mine.
It's going to be on the roof. And you're going to have to watch out for it.
It's gonna hang from the roof and we're gonna have to watch out for it?
No. We're going to have to put a light and watch out for it.
Oh. Are we gonna break any more lights?
I'm not talking about breaking any more lights.
Good, because Daddy done broke enough lights for everybody. Daddy broke one too many. Uh-oh, I'm getting cold on. No, we're supposed to be supporting small businesses.
Mom, actually, Dad,
Okay, I'm here.
I told on you.
Did you? Oh no, what'd you tell?
Mom,
Okay, what'd you tell her? That I broke one of my lights? Did you tell her what I was doing when I broke it?
Yeah.
Did you tell her how I broke it?
Oh, you don't do anything.
I'm helping Dad.
You're helping Dad with some screws.
Doesn't sound like you're helping Dad. Sounds like you're rolling over on Daddy and tattling on him.
Love you.
I'm giving Daddy screws.
Yeah, go find dinner.
Dad, need some screws?
I do not need those screws, but thank you very much, sir.
Then I'll go get them back.
Okay. Daddy's gonna need a big extension, and a pop swivel, and all kinds of craziness for his little ratchet gun over here.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay, and give us a like. We're not even gonna,
What?
if you liked it or
Yeah.
not.
No.
No, just click like and boost us till our next video. All right, see you then.
Love you. Bye.
GoPro stop capture. GoPro stop capture. Bitch.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you
But
guys.
anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening
was I
the
supposed to be
the-
watching?